Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an EHO or EH0 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So first of all, what is it? So the EHO error is an error that that the washing machine will display when it's not getting the right electricity that it's supposed to be getting in order to function properly, or it's getting unstable electricity. Now there's a couple things that can be happening here. And I'm going to go over some of the things that you can do to check and see if that's what it is and how to fix it. So first one is a rather rare one, but I'll go over it anyways. And that is, if you bought your washing machine in one country and you're trying to use it in another country, the electrical protocols are different in different countries. And so what it's expecting to get in the country that it was made for is not what it's getting in the country that it's being used in, and it will give you this anomaly. But another thing that's more likely that it is that there's something going on with the electric supply that you're sending to it. So this could be a couple things. One, if it's plugged in via an extension cord, if your extension cord is not heavy duty enough to carry the current, then it won't get the juice that it needs to run properly, and it will give you this error. So if you're getting this error and your washing machine is plugged in on an extension cord, try plugging it in directly to the wall. And if that's not a possibility, try plugging it in via a more heavy duty extension cord, but preferably directly into the wall. The next thing could be similar to that. If you have it on a breaker on a shared circuit with other things, if those other things are sucking electricity off the circuit, it can cause unstable supply of electricity to the washing machine. So to check this, you can just make sure that anything else that's on that circuit is turned off, and preferably have it on its own circuit. And if by doing that, if the error goes away, then you know that's where the error is coming from. And similarly, if you might be in some kind of situation where you're not getting your electricity off the grid, you have solar or something like that, and this might be there might be unstable electricity going to the machine, you might get this error. So anyways, if you go through those things, you should be able to find what's giving you this error and get it sorted out. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.